I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable transaction alerts on your HSBC account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your HSBC account. Start by logging into your HSBC online banking account using your credentials. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Alert Settings. Once you're in your account, look for the Settings or Preferences menu. From there, find the Alerts section to set up your transaction alerts. Step 3. Choose Alert Preferences. In the Alert section, select the type of alerts you want to receive. You can typically choose options like transaction notifications, balance updates, or security alerts. Step 4. Enter your contact information. Make sure to enter or verify your contact information such as your email address or phone number where you want to receive these alerts. Just a heads up, if you enter an incorrect email, you won't receive any alerts, so double check it. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting your preferences and entering your contact information, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the page. Now you're all set to receive transaction alerts from HSBC. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy banking!